Hey, what's up, traders? This is a recap of today's trades that I have taken with the S&P E-minis. There's nothing special about today, but I just did today because I haven't did a recap in a while. So this is a recap on the trades I've taken today. Today, a total of 4 trades, 2 profits, 2 losses. Uh, one loss, as you'll see, is kind of comical. Well, comical because a loss is never comical, but based on how it happened, it's kind of funny. But really, this is how today's price action went based on the trades that I've taken today. Once again, I use no MAs. I use strictly price, volume, trend, support, and resistance. Prices went down. In the higher time frame, it came down to an area of support. At this point, I saw the bulls try to step up, but I wasn't sure what was going on here. So I saw the bulls step up. As the bulls stepped up, of course, this volume increases, but these tails show me that bears were still a lot of selling going on here. Once I saw this big red bar right here, called us a bully bar. This bar tried to bully the bulls, so this bar came down, big red bar, and a bar like this with this volume here usually ignites a move. So based on this, when this bully bar happened with no follow through, that means it had no backing up. They used all the ammunition right here, and when this bar came right here with no follow through and this bar stepped up, then it restored confidence. And the reason why I see this bar with this volume and this top and tail right here, normally when you just learn candlestick patterns and what they mean, they'll tell you a top and tail is usually a sign of the bears. But in conjunction with price and everything that's going on, this bar is bullish. This was a big green bar, and the bears brought this bar all the way back down. This is further as they can get it. So at a bar like this, my expectations would be higher. So this is telling me they've pretty much exhausted themselves. I took an entry here. The way I took this entry was really, I had narrowed down to even lower time frame to a 1 minute, and I saw some bullish signals, so I got in a little bit early, but this was able to generate a nice little profit. Basically right here, what I do, I always do 2/3 of my lot up front, then I have 1/3 left, and I divide 1/3 into 2 lots, because this first one, that's my paycheck. That's the one that I base my risk and reward off of. These other two, these are just bonus lots, just in case if prices decide to run, and so I want to be able to participate, not have to chase it. So I have these here just in case. So you always need some bonus lots just in case. You have a salary lot, and you can have just one bonus lot or two, depends on your choice. But the salary and always some bonus lots. And what I will not let happen, once this becomes a profit, I will not let these turn into losses. I mean, it'd have to be some extremely positive telling me that it's a good possibility I should just let it play around a little bit for me to even, let it go below break even. But 99.9% these will not become losses if this first one is a profit. Now, oh, we missed it right here. Right here, this was actually the first loss I had of the day. And basically how this happened, I was trying to set the buttons up and everything up for my long, and I end up pressing short, and I triggered a short, and I shorted right here. And as soon as I shorted, I exited, but it's still a loss. So this was the first loss. So this is one of my losses here for today. Next, right here, I saw prices go up, and prices came back to an area of show me the money again. This area has showed me the money before, so I want this area to show me the money again. Also, this area, buyers showed me the money before because they stepped up and they were willing to buy. So when I enter a trade, I want prices to show me the money in the beginning of the trade and show me the money when I'm exiting. And so at this point, I stepped up to buy. And as you can see, really what happened here, this is what I call not sticking to my rule. Once I got in, I rationalized with myself and made myself think that I knew more than the market knew, or I was in a better frame of mind state than I was when I wrote my plan. My plan says I need to be 2 ticks below this, and I went on, instead of 2 ticks, I did a tick above it. And so I said I felt I didn't need to give it enough that much room to go down. So I ended up getting stopped out here. So this was a loss right here. But based on this, we had this next bully bar again. This bully bar came down to this area with no follow through. This is the best they could produce after this. So when I saw this, I knew it would be a buying opportunity, and I took the trade above these bars right here, and I entered here. And this time I put my stop in the right place. So this bar didn't stop me out. So I follow my rule on that one. And as you can see, that right here, we pretty much I went up and I hit my first 2/3 right here, my paycheck, and I had these other 2 bonus lots just in case if something happened. But based on the market being 5 days up or however many days up, odds for a runner, and we're getting close to a congestion area, was low. But just in case, and as you can see, I didn't let it turn into a loser. So that's pretty much how today's price action went. I set through all of this congestion right here. Wasn't really worried about too much as far as that, and took a profit on these. So that's pretty much it for today, traders. That's the recap of today's trades. Talk to you next time.